I'm going to pull the fucking fire alarm.
Is everybody okay?
Yeah.
Okay everyone, there was no fire. Some bastard pulled the fire alarm for no reason. I will be looking into this. You all can go back into the school.
Well anyway, since we're back in class, you guys can take your books out.
Shigeko, get your fucking stupid ass to my office right now.
What is it?
Sit down. Shigeko, you know what you fucking did.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Stop lying. This was caught on the security camera. Watch it.
I'm going to pull the fucking fire alarm. Yeah. So what?
Shigeko, how dare you fucking pull a fire alarm? You are suspended for 50 whole weeks. Get the hell out of my office right now before I beat you up.
At least my mom didn't destroy my laptop.
Shigeko, I can't believe you was the one who pulled the fire alarm. What the fuck, Shigeko? Why would you even do that? This is going too fucking far. You're grounded until the Angry Birds movie comes out in theaters. Now go to bed right now.